What do you think about Hungarian wines? Do you have experience with the Hungarian regions?
I do some. It's not something that I see a lot of. And quite honestly, when I do taste Hungarian wines, it's usually at some sort of trade event, some sort of wine industry
Mm,
event. Uh, so, mostly what I'll see and what I'll drink, and I know this is a small segment, but the sweet wines,
yeah, yeah.
the tokaj, that kind of thing. I think those are some of the most amazing long-lived wines. But Hungary is something that it's not. It's more on the periphery for what I see.
Yeah, and that's especially in the US. In Europe, in European countries, it's more available, but due to the volume and this image of only Tokaj, lots of people only know the Tokaj wine region and the sweet wines. I think it's a little bit limiting, but I see some changes, and I also try to work on this and increase the. Thanks for watching this video. You can watch the full podcast episode by clicking here or watch another interesting video by clicking here. Let's continue the discussion in the comment section and see you in the next one.